Coppell, Texas, is known for its beautiful neighborhoods, thriving community, and stylish homes that balance comfort with modern design. For homeowners looking to enhance their property's appearance, windows are more than just a practical feature, they're a major design element. Choosing the right window style can boost curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and elevate your home's interior. Here are the most popular window styles that modern Coppell homeowners are embracing today. Casement windows. Casement windows have a sleek, contemporary look that works perfectly with modern architecture. Hinged on one side and opening outward, they allow maximum ventilation while offering unobstructed views. Why Coppell homeowners love them? Energy efficiency. Tight seals keep hot summer air out and cool air in. Easy operation. Crank handles make them simple to open and close. Excellent ventilation. Ideal for catching breezes on mild Texas days. Picture windows. Picture windows don't open, but they frame the outdoors like a living piece of art. These large, fixed panes are popular in living rooms, dining rooms, and anywhere you want to capture natural light. Why Coppell homeowners love them? Uninterrupted views, perfect for showcasing landscaped yards. Natural light brightens interiors without compromising security. Low maintenance, fewer moving parts mean less wear over time. Sliding window. Sliding windows, with panels that glide horizontally, are both functional and stylish. They work well in modern homes where space-saving designs are important. Why Coppell homeowners love them? Space efficiency. No need for extra clearance to open. Contemporary look. Clean lines complement modern facades. Durability. Fewer mechanical parts compared to crank systems. Awning windows. Hinged at the top and opening outward, awning windows are ideal for adding light and ventilation without letting in rain. They're often used above or below larger fixed windows for a layered look. Why Coppell homeowners love them? Weather resistance. Can be left open during light rain. Versatility. Fits well in kitchens, bathrooms, and basements. Energy savings. Tight ceiling reduces air leaks. Double-hung windows. It's a timeless choice with a modern twist. Double-hung windows feature two sashes that move vertically. Many newer models tilt inward for easy cleaning, which is great for busy homeowners. Why Coppell homeowners love them? Flexible ventilation. Open from the top, bottom, or both. Classic meets modern appeal. Works with many home styles. Easy maintenance. Tilt in design simplifies upkeep. Bay and bow windows. These multi-panel windows project outward from the home, creating extra interior space and a striking exterior feature. Why Coppell homeowners love them? Architectural charm. Adds dimension to flat walls. Extra seating or storage. Perfect for a cozy reading nook. Panoramic views. Multiple angles maximize scenery. Choosing the right style for your modern Coppell home. When selecting windows, think beyond looks. Consider energy efficiency. Look for Energy Star ratings to lower utility bills. Functionality. Choose styles that suit each room's purpose. Maintenance. Select durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or clad wood. Budget. Factor in both upfront cost and long-term savings. Professional installation makes all the difference. Even the best window style won't perform well if it's not installed correctly. A professional installer ensures airtight seals, proper alignment, and lasting durability. Plus, local experts understand Coppell's climate and can recommend the best materials to withstand Texas heat and seasonal storms. Final thoughts. Windows play a critical role in defining your home's modern look, improving comfort, and boosting efficiency. Whether you love the clean lines of casement windows, the light-filled beauty of picture windows, or the bold statement of a bay window, there's a style that will fit your Coppell home perfectly. By combining the right design with professional installation, you can create a living space that feels open, bright, and stylish, while also being functional and energy efficient.